Every 4 years, more than 3 billion people watch the same moment, the FIFA World Cup Trophy lifted high above the winners' heads. It is the most recognized sports trophy on Earth. Yet very few know exactly what it is made of, how it is shaped, or what it would truly cost to build from scratch under modern professional standards. This is not just a story about gold and stone. It is a story of precision engineering, ancient craft methods, modern quality control, intellectual property law, and the hidden economics of luxury manufacturing. Today, we walk through every stage, from the original sketch in 1974 to a complete financial plan. If you wanted to commission an identical, legally compliant replica today, exactly what and how much? Designed by Italian artist Silvio Gazzaniga and produced exclusively by GDE Bertoni in Milan since 1974, the FIFA World Cup Trophy replaced the older Jules Rimet Cup. Unlike its predecessor, which was silver gilt, this version is built to heavier, more durable specifications. Let's record the official fixed data, non-negotiable dimensions and materials. Total height, 368 millimeters, or 36.8 centimeters. Maximum width, 125 millimeters, or 12.5 centimeters. Total mass, approximately 4,900 grams, or 4.9 kilograms. Body material, 18-karat yellow gold. Alloy ratio, 75% pure gold, plus 12.5% silver, plus 12.5% copper. Base details, 2 concentric rings of natural green malachite, diameter 130 millimeters, thickness 6 millimeters each. Inner structure, hollow upper globe section, solid cast lower stem for stability. Finish, hand-polished mirror surface, white gold plating on fine relief edges. Engraving, replaceable silver gilt plaque, updated with champion nation and year. These are not artistic choices alone. They are engineering constraints. Weight distribution keeps the trophy balanced in hand. Malachite is chosen for color stability and resistance to weather. 18-karat gold balances shine, hard. To replicate this trophy professionally, you follow the same lost wax precision casting workflow used in high-end jewelry and aerospace components. Total production timeline, 8 to 12 weeks, 250 to 320 labor hours. Number 1. Digital and wax master creation. Weeks 1 to 2. Start with accurate 3D scanning or CAD reconstruction from authorized drawings, never from photos alone, as perspective distorts curves. The model is split into 7 machinable segments to allow undercut details. First output, a high-density wax block, shaped via 5-axis CNC milling within plus or minus 0.02 millimeter tolerance, then hand-retouched by master modelers. This step guarantees that every fold in the athlete's robes and every curve of the Earth's continents matches the original geometry. Number 2. Ceramic shell and dewaxing. Weeks 2 to 3. The wax assembly is mounted on a central sprue, then dipped repeatedly in ceramic slurry and fine sand, building a shell 6 to 8 millimeters thick. Drying takes 24 to 48 hours per layer. Rapid drying causes cracking. Next, dewaxing in an autoclave at 160 degrees Celsius. Wax melts and flows out completely, leaving a hollow negative mold. This is the heart of investment casting. You do not carve metal. You capture every detail that was once in wax. Number 3. Alloy melting and controlled pour. Week 4. Gold alloy AU750 is prepared from certified pure bullion, silver, and copper ingots. Spectrometer test before melting ensures legal fineness. Melt temperature, 1064 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. Pouring is done under vacuum or inert gas atmosphere to prevent porosity and oxidation. Filling time, less than 15 seconds. Slow pouring creates cold seams. Cooling is programmed over 18 to 24 hours in insulated chambers, reducing thermal stress. Number 4. Fettling, assembly, and plating. Weeks 5 to 7. Break the shell, remove sprue, and grind gates. X-ray inspection for hidden defects. Segments are laser welded together. Welds are ground flush, so joints become invisible. Selected high-relief details receive a 5 to 10 micron layer of rhodium-enhanced white. Number 5. Hand polishing and stone setting. Weeks 7 to 10. Polishing is entirely manual. 8 stages, from coarse abrasive to diamond paste 0.25 micron. Total polishing hours, 300 plus. The 2 malachite rings are precision cut from solid block material, matched for color banding, and seated with 0 gap tolerance. Malachite must be handled with care. Mohs hardness only 3.5. Number 6. Final metrology and quality sign-off. Weeks 10 to 12. Coordinate measuring machine, CMM, checks every dimension against CAD within plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. Weight verified to plus or minus 5 grams. Gold assay certificate issued. This is the stage where craft meets. Before materials are bought or machines switched on, intellectual property and trade law apply strictly. The FIFA World Cup Trophy is a registered work of art, trademark, and design patent globally. Legally, you can only build 1. Commissioned licensed replicas, FIFA approved, limited edition, marked replica, not for trade. 2. Educational or technical models, non-commercial, modified proportions, clearly labeled. 3. Public domain interpretation, entirely new design inspired by themes only. To operate professionally, you must secure license agreement with rights holder or national sports authority, precious metal dealer license plus assay office registration, import-export permits for gold and gemstones, tax and labor compliance for skilled workshop staff. Attempting to sell unmarked or exact copies as original carries criminal penalties and seizure of assets, a risk far higher than manual. Here is a realistic, modern-day production budget. 1-to-1 scale. Legal, professional quality, single unit. Prices based on Milan, Italy workshop, plus international market rates, mid-2026. A. Materials. Approximately USD 27,500 to 31,000. 18-karat yellow gold, 4,900 grams gross, net alloy, about USD 26,000 to 29,000. Malachite premium grade, cut and matched, USD 1,200 to 1,600. White gold, rhodium plating, solder, ceramics, consumables, USD 3,500 to 4,000. B. Labor and engineering, approximately USD 35,000 to 44,000. CAD CAM plus master modeling, USD 6,000 to 8,000. Casting, assembly, welding, USD 8,000 to 10,000. Hand polishing and stone setting, 300 plus hours at USD $75 to $95 per hour, USD 22,000 to 26,000. Metrology, testing, and certification, USD 800 to 1 zezing. C. Compliance and licensing, approximately USD 12,000 to 22,000. License and legal fees, limited edition, USD 8,000 to 16,000. Insurance, transport, security, USD 2,500 to 4,500. Admin and assay stamps, USD 1,500. Total production cost, legal replica, USD 74,500 to 97,000. Compare this to the often quoted build cost of the official FIFA trophy, roughly USD 50,000 to 70,000, which benefits from long-term exclusive contracts and bulk material pricing. If you skip license and only make a non-commercial technical copy, material plus labor alone runs USD 63,000 to 70. From wax to gold, from law to logistics, making the World Cup trophy is not just a craft, it is a fully managed industrial project. The gold is worth roughly USD $29,000, but the know-how, the license, the history, and the trust built over decades make the trophy priceless. The lesson for every manufacturer, investor, and creator: true luxury is never just the price of raw materials. It is the cost of getting every detail right, legally and